Hello, I welcome all the learners of class 6 to my channel. Let's start solving International English Olympiad practice sample paper. Okay, are you ready? Can we start? Let's start. For question number 1 to 5, instruction is choose the correct option. First sentence, Sia called Dash the police to inform about the theft. Now which word should I put over here? In, up, off, down. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct word that I should put over here? It is option B. Sia called up the police to inform about the theft. Next sentence. Simon was born dash Africa dash rich parents. Now which two words should I put over here? Is it in with, at with, into, in for? Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one is the correct option? Read the sentence once again. Go through your option. It is option C. Simon was born in Africa to rich parents. Okay, next sentence. Okay, this is our next sentence. Dr. Henry, who works at Dash Honorable at Dash European Hospital, is Dash Honorable Chief Guest at this conference of Dash Elite ENT surgeons. Now you can see there are 3 blanks over here, 4 blanks over here, and you have to put 4 articles on it. Which are those 4 articles? Is it option A, is it B, is it C or is it D? Which option is correct? It is option B. Okay. First, Dr. Henry, who works as an honorable at a European hospital, is the honorable chief guest at this conference of elite surgeon. This over here we don't need any word. Okay, next sentence. Dash English country is also dash European country. 2 words are to be put over here. Which are those 2 words? Is it the, an, a, an, or nothing is to be put over here, and the? Which is it? Option A, B, C or D? Which one is the correct option? It is option B. An English country is also a European country. Next sentence. Dash one-eyed person died here dash hour ago. 2 words are to be put. Which are those 2 words? Is it the and an? Is it an or a? Is it an or is it a and an? Is it option B, C, sorry, A, B, C or D? Which one it is? It is option D. A one-eyed person died here an hour ago. Okay. Well done, kids. Let's move on to the next set of questions. From question 6 to 10, it said fill in the blanks with correct preposition. Here you have to put preposition. Let's get started. The teacher was impressed dash how quickly the student completed the challenging project despite the limited time. Okay. So which word should I put over here? With, by, at, about. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one it is? It is option A. The teacher was impressed with how quickly the student completed the challenging project despite the limited time. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. It says, the scientist was fascinated dash the result of the experiment which contradicted all previous theories. Here your option are of, with, by, about. So which is the correct word that I should put over here? Is it option A, B, C or D? It is option A. The scientists were fascinated of the results of the experiment which contradicted all previous theories. Okay, next one. The company is committed dash providing excellent customer service to ensure client satisfaction. Now which word should I put in this blank? Is it for, to, in or about? Which word? Is it option A, B, C or D? Which option should I put? It is option B. The company is committed to providing excellent customer service to ensure client satisfaction. Next sentence. She apologized dash being late to the meeting and promised it won't happen again. Now which word should I put over here? For, on, off, about. Is option A, B, C or D? Which option should I put over here? Read the sentence once again. Go through your option. It is option A. She apologized for being late to the meeting and promised it won't happen again. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. It says the children were excited dash the idea of going on a school trip to the museum. Now your options are at, in, with, about. So which is the correct option? Is it A, is it B, is it C or is it D? Read the sentence once again, go through your options, you will find the correct one. It is option D. The children were excited about the idea of going on a school trip to the museum. Well done kids, we have reached question 11. For 11 to 20, your instruction are choose the correct degree of comparison to fill in the blanks. Here you have to choose what? Degree of comparison. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first sentence. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. The plot was amazing. Now which word should I put away? Good, better, best, most good. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one it is? It is option C. This is the best movie I have ever watched. The plot was amazing. Next sentence. This mountain is much dash than the one we climbed last year. Now which word should I put away? High, higher, highest, most high. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one it is? Read the sentence once again. Go through your option. Which one it is? It is option B. This mountain is much higher than the one we climbed last year. Okay. Next sentence. Among all the contestants, she delivered the dash speech. Now which word should I put in this blank? Good, better, best, more better, most better. Option A, B, C or D. Which one is the correct option? It is option C. Among all the contestants, she delivered the best speech. Okay, next sentence. He is not as dash as his older brother when it comes to mathematics. Now which word should I put away? Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, less intelligent. Option A, B, C, D. Which option should I put away here? It is option A. He is not as intelligent as his older brother when it comes to mathematics. Next sentence. Today is dash than yesterday. It's much cooler. Which word should I put away? Cold, colder, coldest, more cold. Option A, B, C, D. Which is the correct option? It is option B. Today is colder than yesterday. It's much cooler. Okay, next sentence. That was the dash decision which we could have made under the circumstances. Now which word should I put away? Wise, wiser, wisest, most wise. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct option? Which option should I put over here? It is option C. It was the wisest decision we could have made under the circumstances. Okay, next sentence. She felt dash after taking a short nap. Your options are refreshed, more refreshed, most refreshed, refreshing. Now, which word should I put in this blank? Option A, B, C or D? Which option should I put over here? Read the sentence once again. Go through your option. Which word should I put over here? It is option B. She felt more refreshed after taking a short nap. Next sentence. The city is becoming dash every year due to better urban planning. Now, which word should I put over here? Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, beautifuler. Option A, B, C, D. Which option should I put over here? It is option B. The city is becoming more beautiful every year due to better urban planning. Next sentence. Out of all the players, she was the dash in terms of speed and agility. Fast, faster, fastest, more fast. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct option? Which is the correct word that I should put over here? It is option C. Out of all the players, she was the fastest in terms of speed and agility. Okay, now next move on to the next sentence. The book is far dash the one I read last week. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting, interestingest. Now which one it is? Option A, B, C or D? Which word should I put over here? Which word should I put in this blank? It is option B, more interesting. Okay. This book is far more interesting than the one I read last week. Next sentence. For question 21 to 25, your direction is choose the correct option to fill in the blanks with the correct adjective. Here you have to choose adjectives. Okay, let's get started. The students were thrilled to receive such a dash opportunity to meet the famous author. Options are rare, rarer, rarest, most rare. Which is correct? Option A, B, C or D? Which one is correct? Read the sentence once again. Go through your option. Which one is correct? It is option A. The students were thrilled to receive such a rare opportunity to meet the famous author. Next sentence. She bought a dash dress for the wedding and everyone admired it. Now which word should I put over here? Beautifully, more beautiful, most beautiful or beautiful? Which word should I put over? Option A, B, C, D? It is option D. She bought a beautiful dress for the wedding and everyone admired it. Okay, next sentence. The soup was too dash for the little child to eat. Now which word should I put over? Spicy, spicier, spiciest, spice. Is it option A, B, C or D? Which one should I put over here? It is option A. The soup was too spicy for the little child to eat. Okay, next sentence. It was a dash day with clear skies and cool breeze. Now which word should I put over here? Most pleasant, more pleasant, pleasant, pleasantly. Option A, B, C or D? Which word should I put over here? It is option C. It was a pleasant day with clear skies and cool breeze. How many of you like pleasant day? Mention in the comment section. I want to know. Okay. Next sentence. The teacher gave us dash explanation so everyone understood the topic. Now which word should I put over here? Clear, clearer, clearest, most clear. Option A, B, C or D? Which word should I put over here? It is option A. The teacher gave us a clear explanation so everyone understood the topic. Okay, how many of your teacher you like who give clear explanation? Mention in the comment section below that this teacher gives a clear explanation. I want to know the name of your teachers. Okay. Level 2. Here instruction is insert article A and the in the blanks. Okay, let's get started. here you can see some numbers are mentioned, and a blank space is there after the number. That means you have to put a word over here, and word option is over here. For each number you will be having 4 options. Okay, you have to select it and then you have to put in this passage. Okay, can we start? Let's get started. Last weekend my family and I visited dash beautiful park near our house. Now for 26 your option are a, an, the or no article. What should I put over here for 26? Which is the correct option? A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct option? Read the sentence once again. It is option A. Okay. I'll just put it for you so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Last weekend my family and I visited a beautiful park near our house. It was dash perfect day with clear sky and gentle breeze. Now for 27 your options are a, and, the or no article. So which word should I put over there? It is option B, an. Let's put it. Sorry, it should be it was a perfect day. Okay, it was a perfect day. Okay, next one. It was a perfect day with clear sky and gentle breeze. We packed dash picnic basket and bought along sandwich, fruit and juice. For 28 your options are, let's see for 28 what are the option. For 28 A, and, the or no article. So which word should I put for 28? It is option A. Okay, let's put it. We packed a picnic basket. Let's put it over here. We packed a picnic basket and brought along sandwiches and fruits and juice. As we arrived, we found dash shady spot under a tree. Now for 29 your option are a, and, the or no article. So which one it is? For 29 what it will be? C, the. Let's put it. As we arrived, we found the shady spot under a tree. My sister started reading a book. For 38 it will be a book while my brother played with dash frisbee. Now for 38 it is a, so let's go and mark it, and yes, the first option. And for 31st it is these words, a, and, the, no article. So which one it will be? It will again be a. See, most of the sentence you can do it without even looking at the option if you know the article very well then. Okay. Frisbee. Suddenly we saw dash group of ducks swimming in the pond nearby. For 32 your option are a, and, the or no article. Same option. So which one will it be? The. Option C. I'll just go and put it over there. Suddenly we saw the group of ducks swimming in the pond nearby. We spent dash hours are watching them and taking picture. We spend an hour. It should be an. Let's look at the option. 33 A, and, the and no article. Same option for 33. Now which is the correct option? It is we spend an hour. We spend an hour. Okay, let's put it. are watching them and taking picture. Before we left, we even spotted the dash squirrel climbing up the tree. For 34, your optional, it will be same and the or no article. So which one it will be? For 34, it will be a squirrel. Okay, let's put it over there. A squirrel. Okay, a squirrel climbing up the tree. It was truly dash unforgettable experience for all of us. For 35 also we have, I think, the same option. Yes, and the or no article. So which one it will be? Let's put it. It was truly an unforgettable experience for all of us. Okay, we have finished this passage. Let's move on to the next set of questions. Yes, it's written for 36 to 45. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Okay, let's start. What did you think of the new restaurant, Ravi? What will Ravi say? Your option are: I didn't visit it yet. It was fantastic. The food was amazing. That's not my type of question. I think we should leave now. Whatever your option should be, your option should be correct and the most polite option. Okay. So what will it be? Read the sentence once again. And what will be your answer? It is option B. He will say it was a fantastic. The food was amazing. Now let's move on to the next sentence. Meena, did you finish the project on time? Sohail, no, I need an extra day to complete it. That's none of your concern. Don't ask me such question. I don't think it matters. Now what will Sohail answer? Option A, option B, option C or option D? What will he answer? It has to be polite as well as correct in English. So he will answer, no, I need an extra day to complete it, because rest of the answers are very impolite. Okay, next one. Priya, how was the trip to the mountains? Rohan, what will Rohan say? You should ask someone else. I don't want to talk about it. That's a silly question. It was incredible. The views were breathtaking. Now what will Rohan answer? Option A, option B, option C or option D? It will be option D. It was incredible. The views were breathtaking. Okay. Next sentence. Teacher, why didn't you submit your homework on time? Student, I forgot to bring it to school. It's none of your concern. I don't like doing homework. That's a silly question. Now what will the student answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. It has to be polite and correct in English. So our first option is the correct option. I forgot to bring it to school. Okay. Next one. Arun, what's your opinion on the new manager? Meera, why should I tell you? She seemed really efficient and approachable. I think we should end this conversation. That's personal question. Now what will Meera answer? Option A, option B, option C or option D? What will Meera answer? She will say she's really efficient and approachable. Okay, she seems really efficient and approachable. Option B. Next sentence. Sana, did you like the book I recommended? Raj, what will Raj say? Yes, it was very engaging. Don't ask me that question. Why would I read it? Let's change the subject. What will Raj answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. What will Raj answer? It will be option A. Yes, it was very engaging. Okay kids, let's move on to the next sentence. It says, Vikas, how did your interview go? Naina, what will Naina say? It went really well. I think I'll get the job. I don't want to discuss it. You shouldn't ask me that. That's not important right now. So so what will Naina answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. What will Naina answer? She will say, it went really well. I think I'll get the job. Okay, next one. Rita, why didn't you come to the party last night? Amit, I didn't feel like answering calls. That's none of your business. Stop asking me such things. I was feeling unwell, so I stayed home. What will Amit answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. What will Amit answer? It is option D. I was feeling unwell, so I stayed home. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ankit, what did you like most about the concert? Neha, the energy and the music were amazing. Don't ask me silly question. I didn't pay attention. That's irrelevant to me. Now what is it? Option A, B, C, D. What will Neha answer? She will answer the energy and the music were amazing. Okay, next one. Rohan, did you watch the match yesterday? Vikas, yes, it was so exciting. What a game. Stop asking me unnecessary things. You shouldn't bother about it. I don't want to tell you. Now what will Vikas answer? Option A, option B, option C, option D. What will Vikas answer? Vikas will say, yes, it was so exciting. What a game. Okay, now we have reached Achiever section. Let's quickly solve it and finish our sample paper solution for today. For question 31 to 35, which of the following form will correctly fill in the blanks in the following sentence? Let's get started. He dashed his dinner before I reached there. So options are will have finished, has finished, had finished, may have finished. Now which word should I put over here? Which option is correct? Option A, B, C or D? Which option should I put over here? Is it A, B, C or D? Which one it is? Read the sentence once again. It is option C, had finished. Okay, let's put it. He had finished his dinner before I reached there. Okay, next one. The swimming pool dash 9 o'clock and dash at 18:30 every day. Which two words should I put over here? Option A is opening is closing. Option B, open closes. Option C, had opened, has closed. Option D, open, close. Which option? A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct option? Read the sentence once again. It is option B. The swimming pool opens 9 o'clock and closes at 18:30 every day. Next sentence. Usually I dash party, but I dash this one very much. Now these are your option. Enjoy, am not enjoying, am enjoying, haven't enjoyed, enjoy, don't enjoy, enjoyed, haven't enjoyed. Which option is correct? Option A, B, C or D? Which one is correct? It is option C. Usually I enjoy parties, but I don't enjoy this one very much. Next, we usually dash vegetables in our garden, but this year we dash any. So your option are growing, don't grow, grew, haven't grown, grown, grow, aren't growing, grow, don't grow. So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? It is option C. Okay, grow and aren't growing. Let's put it. We usually grow vegetables in our garden, but this year we aren't growing any. Okay. Next one. What is the past participle form of the verb so? Past participle. What will it be? so, sowed, sodden, sown. Option A, B, C, D. Which one it will be? It will be option D, soon. Okay, we come to the end of this sample paper solution. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow our subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.